Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Renewable sources are expected to dominate the growth of the global electricity supply over the next 3 years, as together with nuclear power they meet the vast majority of the increase in global demand, according to a new International Energy Agency report. One of the world's largest crypto-focused quantitative funds, Galois Capital, has called it quits after losing a sizable portion of its capital in the collapse of FTX, the firm said in a tweet. German car makers Mercedes-Benz and VW have urged the government to do more to scale up the number of electric vehicle charging stations across the country. The German government last October approved a plan to spend €6.3 billion to rapidly scale up the number of charging stations across the country as part of its push towards net zero emissions.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, current situation, at 1000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, economic sentiment, at 1000 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 1630 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.